For Kevin D. Thank you.
Bye, have a good day.
Thank you too. Hello, for Joanna S. Thank you. Hello. For Dario, I think this is it right here.
Dario? Yeah.
Did it come with a drink? Is it inside?
It's in there.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Okay, for dialing?
Yeah, there you go. Have a good day. Hello.
Next time
For-
you take your helmet off.
Okay, it takes a long time to do that. Sandra C.
Just next time you do have to take it off when you come in here. It'll be over there on the
Over there? Okay. Oh, hi Sandra. There you go.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
you're all set.
Bye.
Thank
Have a
you.
good day.
You too. Hi. Picking up for Brittany M. Thank you. Hi.
How you doing?
Good, good. Brittany?
Good.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're all set. Thank you.
Have a good night.
You too.
Thank you.
Irene D.
Alright.
Thank you. Have a good one. For Gustavo A. Thank you. Have a good one. Picking up for Natalie H. Thank you. You too. Andrea R. Thank you, you too. I was picking up an order for Susanna.
Yes.
Thank you. Is these two?
2, yeah.
Okay.
Do you upload all your stuff to YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Your daily work and stuff?
Just for a hobby.
Just hobby.
Yeah. Yeah, it's hard to get to this area because of the construction.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you have to park in the front and then walk.
Yeah, I parked all the way over there.
Okay.
Hello. Here you are.
Thank you.
Have a good one.